Welcome to Gariautocare. I'm Team Wire. Right now I have RAV4 of 204. This vehicle has a problem with, let me show you. It has an ABS light on the dashboard, and another main problem is when I press the pedal, the reverse light on the dashboard blinks. See, when I press the pedal, the reverse light appears on the dashboard, meaning there is a short circuit between the reverse line and the brake lights. See, so we have a problem with short. So what I'm going to do, as usual, I'm going to use my thing machine to scan this vehicle so that we identify the fault code. Then we solve this vehicle using the information that the thinker has given us. So the first thing I'm going to scan, so we need to wait for a minute. See, we have two fault on ABS system. So we have C0210 and C1249, which is rear speed sensor circuit, and we have open circuit of brake switch. So the problem is the brake switch line and the reverse line, according to that info. So the first thing is I'm going to remove that socket. That socket wires that normally go to the rear part of the vehicle. So when I remove that rear socket, when I press the pedal, there's no any reverse light flashing on the dashboard, meaning there is a short within the rear wires. So another thing, we have a lot of corrosion on the pins. Look at these pins, a lot of corrosions. See, let me show you. We have a lot of corrosion. See, so that one can trigger the code rear speed sensor. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean all sockets to make sure they're free from corrosion. That's the first thing we have to do. Make sure all sockets are free from corrosion, because corrosion can trigger that code, a poor connection. So I'm going to use the cap cleaner. After that, I had to go through that rear wire or rear harness, and this is where the fault is. See, there's some few wires are burned. Let me show you. I want to zoom so that you see. This is the main fault code here. So I'm going to eliminate that short circuit of rear brake switch and reverse. So look, everything's okay. I have already eliminated that short circuit. I think right now the hand is okay. So after that, I'm going to install everything back the way it was before. After installing everything back, I'm going back to clear that fault of brake switch. I think that's the main fault code there. Right now we don't have any fault code in the system, meaning everything's okay. Let me start the vehicle. So right now we don't have any ABS, and when I press in the pedal, so I think right now everything's okay. Let me try to start the vehicle. So look at the dashboard. Right now we don't have any lights, we don't have ABS, the reverse that was shorted to the ground. See, right now everything is perfect. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.